Yeah, I'm old. I remember the first animal that ever followed me back to the cave that I asked my mom if I could keep it for a pet. It was a stegosaurus. My mom let me keep it because we needed the eggs. But yo mama's so old. They took her out of the retirement home, put her in a museum. Her memories in black and white. She went to an antique auction and everybody started bidding on her. The new planes travel so fast. One of my friends from Australia flew to Nashville, and the plane he was on traveled so fast that when they got to Nashville, passengers got off and they were still walking upside down. I'm getting old. On April 10th of 2020, I would be celebrating my 14th anniversary with YouTube. I'm really getting old. I read though that if you take a nap every single day, you won't get old. Especially if you take a nap while you're driving. I'm at that age now where I'm so old that when I order a 4-minute egg, they make me pay for it up front. Income tax, I'll tell you, that's still a problem. The new income tax form, real simple, got 3 lines on it. First line says, how much money did you make last year? The second line says, how much do you have left? And the third line says, send it to us. If you're not supposed to eat animals, how come they make them out of meat? I'm a vegetarian by proxy. I only eat animals that eat vegetables. There's a guy in New York got run over by a taxi cab. The policeman came running along and he leans down to the guy and says, did you get his license number? And the guy says, no, but I'll never forget the way he laughed. Do you think they'd allow Kevin Bacon to go into a vegetarian restaurant? Had some excitement in Nashville at the convention center. A mime tried to disrupt the Yodelers convention.